If you clicked on this video, you're looking to change the battery in your Ford key fob. If your key fob looks just like this one, the buttons on it might be slightly different depending on your vehicle, but if the back looks just like that, then this is the proper video for you. First thing is, if you do have any keys or anything on there, not to worry, you can just leave this piece on because this removes when you remove this part right here, which we're gonna do. So if we click on that little button right there, that's gonna remove your built-in key into your key fob. Now we look at the actual key fob itself, and you can see there's a smaller gap and a bigger gap. You're gonna go and put your key into that bigger gap right here, and then you're just going to twist it a little bit. And that's gonna pop it up, and then you can put your key down and you can just grab it and you can just pull, and that's gonna pop it just right off, just like that. It's a big sound. It sounds like it breaks or snaps, but it's not. It's just a hinge that's really strong on there, so not to worry. And then you're gonna need either like a flathead screwdriver or a smaller screwdriver or something. And there's a gap that you can see just right at the top right there where you can insert your little piece right there, and then you just pop the battery right out. So you can see the battery, it just flies right out once you've got something in there underneath to lodge it in. And then you're gonna wanna grab your replacement battery. So the battery that they have built into it from the factory is this Panasonic CR2450. I would recommend going with an Energizer branded one. Don't go with any of the cheapy aftermarket brands for batteries. Get yourself a good quality one because it's gonna last a lot longer. There's a lot more defective ones on the aftermarket ones. So let's go ahead, pop this battery open right here. And when you have your battery out, you wanna make sure that the positive side, so it's usually the side with the writing on there, goes facing up. So all you're gonna do is just place your battery right in. It's gonna go in this side first, so you can see it angles kind of in there, and then you just press it down nicely. And if you wanna confirm that it's down fully, if you look at, there's these two little hook hinges right here that it goes underneath. So you can confirm as long as it's underneath that, you can just feel it, then you're perfectly fine. And then all you do, just put your cover right back on and snap that back in, and then grab your key and put your key fob back together just like that. And then go ahead, test it out on your vehicle, just honk your horn or whatever just to make sure it works, and you are good to go.